On February 26th, Ukraine observes the Day of Resistance to the occupation of the Autonomous Republic of Crimea and the city of Sevastopol. On this day, 12 years ago, in 2014, a mass rally was held in Simferopol in support of Ukraine's territorial integrity. As noted by Ukrainian historian of Crimean Tatar origin, Gulnara Abduleva, at that time Crimeans took to the streets in protest, declaring their resistance to the occupation. On the Freedom Channel, she explained Russia did everything possible to present an image of a supposedly pro-Russian Crimea.
Back then, they literally brought in these so-called Russian patriots to Crimea by bus from the Krasnodar region, people who shouted that Crimea is Russia. In reality, they had nothing to do with Crimea, which we only found out later.
Gulnara Abduleva notes that the vast majority of Crimea's residents never supported Russia. This myth was created by Kremlin propaganda. Moreover, even the few fans of the so-called Russian world who remained on the occupied peninsula are shocked by the actions of the occupying authorities. In particular, local residents are dissatisfied with the lack of jobs in temporarily occupied Crimea.
Ukraine provided jobs, but under Russia, they were left without work. The actions they are taking are discrediting Russia itself.
As Gulnara Abdullaeva explains, despite the difficult situation on the occupied peninsula, many years after those events, its residents remain loyal to Ukraine and are waiting for the arrival of Ukrainian troops.
Honestly, every time they hear about a strike from Ukraine hitting Russian bases in Crimea, they say they celebrate with a festive cup of coffee. We will endure everything as long as it ends soon, and we are waiting for the day when the Ukrainian armed forces enter Crimea.
The liberation of temporarily occupied Crimea remains one of Ukraine's main goals, and the defense forces are already actively working towards it. For example, on the night of February 23rd, Special Operations Forces struck the positions of Russian occupiers in Crimea, where a missile brigade equipped with the Bastion missile system is stationed. The Russians launched Zircon hypersonic missiles from this system.